Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, and we assist clients from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Now, one of the services that we're most frequently asked to perform is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a carrier other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to being only used on the carrier that originally sold them, and they have to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used on a different carrier. Now, here with me today, I have a Galaxy J7 Sky Pro, originally from Family Mobile here in the US. We'll jump into settings here to take a peek at exactly what we have. We can see here that we have that device name showing up, the J7 Sky Pro is what they call it, and then the unique model number, which identifies it as a Family Mobile device. Family Mobile is a prepaid brand mostly sold at Walmart stores that runs on the T-Mobile network here in the US. Now, most other carriers also have some type of a J7, but that model number identifies it uniquely as being the specific Walmart Family Mobile version of the device. Now, normally, if you had one of these devices, you would have a notification here on the lock screen or up in the notification bar that says invalid SIM card network locked if you tried to insert a SIM card from a different carrier. But we don't have that on this one, and that's because our business has actually gone through the steps of unlocking this device so that it can be used with other carriers. We've inserted a SIM card which is from Cricket here in the US, which is a prepaid carrier that runs on AT&T's network, and so we'll jump in the SIM card status here to show you that information. So it does show that we're registered here on Cricket. We have our mobile network type set as LTE, and then of course we have our signal bars and everything there up top. So that does verify that the phone has been fully unlocked and is now usable on other carriers. Specifically here in the US, once this model phone has been unlocked, it's able to be used on what are called GSM carriers, which are those that use either AT&T's or T-Mobile's network. So, if you have a Galaxy J7 Sky Pro, originally from Family Mobile, and would like to get its SIM unlocked to be used on a different carrier, go ahead and get in contact with us because we would love to help you out with that. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of our contact info there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out all the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that interests you. Make sure to hit the subscribe button while you're there also to be notified of all the new videos and services that we're constantly offering, just like this one. Y para todos los hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes no duden en contactarnos. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day.